everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. And in today's video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about our Stampin' Trimmer. Now, you guys, I have owned many trimmers, but the Stampin' Up! Trimmer is amazing, like amazing. So when you receive your trimmer, you will notice there is a clear film on the trimmer which you can remove or you can keep it on. I do know, however, that it does start to bubble up. So just so you know, it's not the underneath peeling off, it's a film that you pull off to protect your trimmer. The Stampin' Up! Trimmer also has this arm that extends out, allowing you to, find or use a bigger sheet of paper, which is fabulous. There is also a little kickstand in the back. Okay, that's this piece here. So if you push that back and clip it in, it becomes like a little stand. It's a little tough to see, but the back of the trimmer also has a little compartment. And I don't know if everybody knew this, but it opens up like that and you're able to store your blades. Now, in one side, I keep all my new blades. This blade here, I have written on it, Glimmer, as I only use this blade for glimmer paper. Now, glimmer paper, you guys, is stunning, but I find what happens is it tends to dull the blade. So I keep one blade designated for glimmer paper. Glimmer paper is a little coarse, it's a little rough, and that's why it dulls the blade. I have found, however, that if you trim your glimmer paper this way, it preserves your blade a little bit longer. So when you're cutting, you want to cut it this way and not this way. Okay? There is also a track in your trimmer. Now, you will find that it's got a little slide piece. Sometimes that gets a little bit of like fuzzies from the paper, so you want to make sure you keep this clean. And a good way to do that is just with like a toothpick, and I usually use a toothpick and run the toothpick along here just to get out all those little hairy fuzzies that happen to get caught in there. Okay, and this just stays in there like that. There is a locking mechanism here as well, so if you push it like that, you will not be able to lift the handle off. So in order to use it, you need to unlatch it, and then this will slide up. Okay, now if you look, you have a light blade and a dark blade. The light blade is your scoring blade and the dark blade is your cutting blade. Now when you receive your blades, they come in packages like this with 2 per package. Okay, and again, I put mine behind my trimmer, and I just wanted to show you how to put your blade on and off. At the bottom of your trimmer, you will notice that there's a little hook, like a bigger opening over here. So what you want to do is you want to slide this down, and where that little catches is where you want to take your blade off. Ooh. Of course it's stuck now, but that's how you're going to remove your blade. Of course, when I'm on camera it gets stuck. Okay, so if you see that, right over here is where you put your blade on and off, and it just snaps in and you're able to maneuver your blade. Okay, and again, you can take your arm off, clean it. Sometimes there's glue on it, like on mine I have a little bit of glue, and if you take a little rubbing alcohol or a Kleenex thingy that's got a little bit of alcohol in it, I find it removes the adhesive nice, and then you can reattach it back onto your trimmer. But a fabulous tool, you guys. It's worth every penny, I can assure you. And again, when you receive this, as you can see, these packages are empty, but I don't throw them away, because these plastic baggies that they come in, you can make beautiful cards. I'll do one and show you what I'm talking about, but I never throw these little packages away, because you can do amazing cards with these, and I love to upcycle. If I can upcycle, believe me, I'm doing it. But I just wanted to point out the greatness about our Stampin' trimmer. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching today's video. If you did enjoy this video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in this trimmer, I will have it linked in the description below. And then if you head on over to my website, www.stampwithshar.com, and go and have a look at all the different projects that I have done. Hopefully you'll get some inspiration over there. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.